Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Steve at Bucks Coins, and I'm doing today some UK silver. They're silver threepenny bits and sixpenny bits. They range in date from 1892 to 1951. However, then you might say, oh, Britain didn't have silver in 1951. Well, the silver coin that I have from 1951 is in English, so we'll show you that as we get through it. The first one, as you can see from this shot, is Queen Victoria. It is known as the Jubilee head, or sometimes the Crown Veiled head. It's 0.925 silver. It's from 1892. It's a threepenny bit, or silver threepence. These were issued between 1887 and 1893 in this particular portrait. On the reverse, we have the crown value. So we have the crown. Oh, let me get a pointy thing. We have a crown, and then we have the threepence underneath, and then at the bottom we have the year. And around it we have it like an oak leaf wreath. The mintage for this 1892 coin is 2,578,200. The next one is this one, and this is a George VI coin, and this is the one from 1951. However, it is not English, it is an Australian 3p. So we have King George on the front, and on the back we have the Australian, you have the Victoria, the Australian country on the front is 0.5 silver. There's a mint mark of PL above the first E of the letter 3. The mint mark PL, well, I'm not sure which one it is. The PL shows it that it's the Royal Mint at Tower Hill. If this is the PL coin, the mintage is 40 million, sorry. If it's non-PL, which I think this one is, it's 15,856,000. The next one I want to show you is a George VI sixpence. So there we go, George VI sixpence. There we have George VI. Sorry, George V is the first one, which is this one. Sorry, my fault. George V sixpence. It dates from 1934. It's 0.5 silver. On the obverse you have the King's name. On the reverse you have 3 sprigs of oak leaves with 6 acorns. I do not have a mintage for this coin. The second sixpence is his son, George VI, his second son. This is from 1941. It is 0.5 silver. This particular coin was issued between 1937 and 1946. This one being a 1941. On the reverse there is a crown cipher of George VI, along with the date. The date is dividing the cipher, so you have 19 on the one side of the cipher and 36 on the other side. The mintage for this 1936 0.5 silver coin is 23,186,600. The next ones are all George V. So here we go. I have 5 to show. It says there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. There are 3 of them. Whoops, I'll just go out a little bit and bring the other 2 in. As I said, these coins range from 1918 to 1936. The ones with the 3 on the background, these 2, were produced between 1911 and 1920. The 0.9 silver, the 1918, has a mintage of 20,630,900. The 1913 has a mintage of 7,413,200. The 1921, which is half 0.5 silver, the 1921 is issued between 1920 and 1927, and it has a mintage of 808,751,000. And the 1936 version, which is also 0.5, has a obverse, has the oak sprigs and the 3 acorns, and has a mintage of 3,238,600, and it's 0.5 silver. So the ones with the acorns on, which is this one here, those are 0.5. So that, and the 1918 one is 0.9 silver and has a mintage of 7,143,200. So those are 9 silver coins for the UK, relatively low denomination. Now the 3 pences, obviously the Maundy money is 1, 2, 3, 4 pence, all in silver. They don't have that on these particular ones. The 3 pence also has to be known that it was also issued for circulation, so not all silver threepenny bits are Maundy money. Please don't make that mistake, because the money that you'll pay for a Maundy set or a coin that's in the Maundy set is more than you pay for a straightforward circulating threepence. Well, that ends this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, can you please give me the thumbs up, and if you've not already subscribed, could you please seriously think about doing so. I am trying to grow my channel this year and to over 100 subs by Christmas, 100 or just over. I'm on the way to doing that. I think I have about 86 now, and it's early August, so hopefully I will get to my target. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy and you want to watch. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And in the meantime, thank you for watching, and until we meet up again, which hopefully won't be too long into the future, from me, bye bye. Ta-ra now.